Imagine turning your everyday voice into a chart-topping hit. It's easier than you think with Suno AI. First, head over to Suno AI's website. You'll need to create an account. You can sign up with your Google or Discord account in just a click. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Create tab. This is where the magic happens. You'll see the options. Choose Custom Mode to give more control for your track. Now, describe the song you envision. Be specific. Include the genre, mood, and any lyrical ideas you have. For example, write a pop song about overcoming challenges, upbeat and inspiring, or even song about cat chasing a mouse. Next, paste or type your lyrics into the lyrics section. Make sure the lyrics are well formatted for the best results. Time to unleash the AI. Click the Generate button and let Suno AI work its wonders. It usually takes a minute or two. Suno AI will generate two versions of your song. Listen to both previews and choose your favorite. If you love it, download the song. You can choose to download the audio or the video version. Not quite perfect? No problem. Use the remix option to make tweaks and generate a new version. Explore the community feed to see what others are creating and get inspired. Start creating your own musical masterpieces with Suno AI today.